don't know what to do. I'm back, nigga, what's up? How you get your buzz up? I heard you signed up for your song to the devil. Was it true? Nigga, shut the fuck up. In my heart, there ain't much love. So if you get bad, then that's tough luck. AB doing shit so big, haters, I'm on your side now, nigga. Fuck us, it's not bad. See, I'm back to business. I'm a real nice nigga, big rap bitches. We got bad intentions, and I'm looking for a new map. I'm contact bitches. An idiot to grab attention, want a new thing. I'm gonna test lenses. Back to business, I'm like consensus. Feel like I'm trapped in a black dimension. Stuck in this bitch so without disrespect. I promise that it'll be a big regret. I twist the neck, I'm looking for a fish to catch. I chop niggas up, yeah, I learned that from Jack. I got tools in but I wanna cut me off. They all yell like I'm trying to turn me on, but I feel like it's the devil trying to get me. And I don't wanna do it to me.
She feel me, you should probably.